Okay, my people, this na man on the street and I dey for inside Pidgin News Network. This story where they bring come now from Crosswater, my people. As one member of the Italian Parliament, where named Nasera Konya, don't come out during their debate for Koro matter. He don't talk say make them arrest Oga Brigade fast. So sake of saying now they always talk about world population. Say we too plenty. Say they know what concern for the matter. Now instead they encourage abortion and other remove bulletins because if he say we too plenty for the world. Oga Brigade and his wife for the former office where they call Gate Foundation, where they talk say that to help to fight malaria and polio. Instead they don't find out say maybe to fight malaria and polio. Now be the thing say that to reduce the world population 9 the day. Madam Sarah say come talk and say this Koro matter will start for Wuhan, China. He said she don't look and say true Oga Brigade hand inside. Now make can they bring vaccine to make sure say in destroy the whole people of the world. Now this one now you they call genocide. It no finish for there to reach us say Oga Brigade bribe even Nigerian House of Representatives with $10 million make they take give the power make everybody receive the vaccine when they bring come for Koro matter. My people, but we hear say our Federal House of Representatives say they no receive the money, say they no want them at all. My people, if not true, make we clap hand for our Federal House. So say then try well. Another person will come and talk for the matter. And be Robert F. Kennedy, and I be the former president of United States of America, the brother of the Pekin. Will be saying I be the chairman for Children Health Defense. He don't come and talk say Oga Brigade no be better person, no, because he won't use this vaccine, make him become the Ogbodigbo one for dictatorship for vaccine matter for the whole world. Now he won't be so. Why in the talk so he say because for 2000 Oga Brigade carrying vaccine enter India, say he won't help them fight polio and malaria matter. He say after 20 years the conference say most of those children they don't paralyze, they no fit waka again because the vaccine don't destroy their body. According to Oga Kennedy, he say Oga Brigade still bring one vaccine we won't help girls to prevent them from disease for Kerewa matter. He said that disease when come, that vaccine will bring come to prevent them from disease for Kerewa matter. He said no be better vaccine. He said because of that over 23,000 girls now they no fit carry belle and even some of them they don't buy for the matter. Even for Africa some people say they don't cry, some parents they cry, say we they die. Say since we take this vaccine when we take from Brigade, he said our children don't they die. He said I make them come they look us, the people they do this medicine they come they look us like guinea pig. My people, it no finish for there. This one don't show say Bill Gates get the money if you open any door and a vaccine in the use to open the door. This one can make us the surprise what be the collabo way there between Dr. Fauci, World Health Organization, and Bill Gates. Say the thing get ACB. It no finish for there. Oga Robert can talk say the way the matter they enter now, it don't feel they enter the level where we say if you don't get the certificate for vaccine, you know if you travel go anywhere and you know if you enter shops if they buy things, they don't know what thing they try to do for this matter. He said this one true come make us cause he say waiting that parliament woman talk concerning Bill Gates, say make we stop and by force. That in vaccine when they bring, we got Brigade and in people they bring, say make we stop and by force. This na Pidgin News Network and a man on the street with this.